Good evening, people. Yes, it is the quarterly close, and tomorrow the markets are closed due to holiday, and we will do the daily recap here as we speak. Beautiful. I just did this video SPY signals. Most of them are in oil, gold, and silver. On the stop stack, again, I want to point out that the 20th of April, I will no longer be uploading the paid content on YouTube. It will be purely on Substack. Way better platform, and the communication with the members is a lot easier due to the chat function that there is. So check it out if it is something for you. I wouldn't be scared of it. So with that said, as always, Twitter here, like and subscribe. Beautiful. Everything is out of the way. Let's do this. Let's do this. Silver, one, is it closed now? We close in 4 minutes, but 1.3%. Fantastic day. What I'm really fond of here is still, I want to show you a bit of TA here, and then you can see 2011, the 2020 highs here connected there. We have the silver squeeze mega fake out there, tag there again, tagged here also. Yes, we have wicks above, fake out there, and now on the daily, I'm very intrigued by this. We came into roughly the 26, retesting that long-term golden trend line, and we are actually coming up again. We haven't broken out, but this is the best try in a very long time to break 26. We have the neckline here. There it is. And I think the reason, silver miners, gold miners are just looking really good here, especially the gold miners. I think the silver miners will follow. But I think the reason is they know, at least nothing is certain, that this is the time to break 26. And when that happens, we will be into the 40s in a jiff. It won't take long. Gold, fantastic, almost 2%. Again, we have this green channel here. Mega sounds big. Big resistance at $2,300. Just saying that name, I love it. Great day for gold, beautiful. Gold to silver ratio, again, up here. But I do think when and if silver breaks the 26, this one here will say goodbye. And that's the take. The way gold is looking, I'm having a hard time to believe that we're breaking out. However, for now, we have to appreciate, in quotes, that this is more bullish than bearish in this ratio. But I have my bias. I could be wrong. But yeah, let's see. There is PCE data coming out tomorrow. We will look into that, by the way. So inflation data. And again, I don't know if the futures markets are open tomorrow. I think they are, to be honest. I could be wrong, but again, that is a big data point coming out, and that could change everything. We could be standing right there tomorrow, and we could be deciding the next thing. DXY up 0.2% today. It was actually up a bit more, and the fact that gold and silver is up, even more, that is beautiful. However, you can see here that our beloved dollar, the dollar, is breaking out as we speak. Again, tomorrow we have the inflation data, and that could turn everything on a dime. So I will not do any predictions here until we have the data and the weekly close for the futures. Again, I'm not quite sure if the futures are open tomorrow. I think they are. You can please write in the comments below. Bitcoin here above 70K, up 2% also, strong day. I want to point out we have this topping pattern here. In order to negate it, we need to take out the all-time high at roughly $73,500. If not, then we are looking at a move down to, let's see, roughly 51. But again, Bitcoin is strong until proven otherwise. And this could be that point in time where it starts to prove otherwise. Let's see. It's hard to predict. Bitcoin has gone higher than I would have thought in this move up. So oil here, our USD WTI almost up $2. Beautiful. I think we're going to tag that trend line there at roughly 85. That will be a big level to get through. And with the current pattern, into it, it I I don't think we'll get it in the first go, and also even the fifth there could be a difficult. But GDX, this is yummy. This is really, really good. Again, the miners doing fantastic, 2%. Fantastic. SIL, this is the silver miners also about to break out big time. We have a lot of silver and gold miners on our radar on Substack. If you want to join, I think there are some great opportunities in that space. Nothing new here really for the uranium spot price 88. I'm pleased, roughly $100. Beautiful. And we've come a long way. We have come from 20 to 100, now down to yeah, 88. I mean, fantastic. Really fantastic. We have the URNM here. Very close to that big 51.5 level here. We have some shorter time frame structures that we are potentially about to break at roughly 50.5. So we could be close. Again, we are breaking. There's a lot of, bulls and bears fighting short term here. I have my bias. I will not go into details in this video. The rates, you can see, again, we tagged that 4.3 bull flagging here. So overall, rates are more bullish than bearish right now. So let's see if this plays out. Palladium, back above our neckline, 2.4% today. Beautiful. Retest here, some sideways action. If we start to get above there, in my view, we are going for a big move. Again, this is the best potential bottom we have seen ever since we started to collapse. So fantastic. Platinum, everyone, I wouldn't say hate it, but they don't look at it. Platinum up 1% today. We still have some way to go before we turn really, really bullish on platinum. So yeah. Copper, basically flat. Also, we are retesting that $4 level. Big surprise? Nope. And hopefully we'll resume from there. If not, then that's one of the biggest fake outs, in a long time. And that's also could be a precursor to why silver won't break it this time and gold is about to potentially drop here. Who knows? Who knows? But we are at a big point in time there for copper. But a lot of the copper miners are breaking out. So that is a plus. That is a plus. Let's see what happens here tomorrow. Again, you can see here the markets are closed. But again, we have big data coming out tomorrow. PCE, during the day or the morning in the US, but here it's midday at my time. PCE coming out. We have some FOMC members speaking. Powell speaks. And then we have a lot of COTs also, as we always get on Fridays, the COT reports on different commodities. So yeah, markets are closed tomorrow. What can we do? What can we do? I can't remember if I have bookmarked anything because yesterday I had a blasting headache. So I don't know. Nope, no Twitter stuff today. No Twitter stuff today. So guys, again, I'm hugely bullish on oil, gold and silver right now. And yes, when and if gold miners start to outperform their underlying metals, uranium has a high tendency to do the same. If you overlay those two charts over each other, I would say it's not a one-to-one correlation, but it is definitely like 0.8, maybe a tad higher. So that's also why I have my bias, let's say, right now for URNM, because the overall energy sector looks so good, especially oil looks absolutely fantastic, and it will drag up, the entire energy sector. So that's it for me, guys, regarding this daily recap. Tomorrow there will not be one due to the markets that are closed. If anything major happens in the futures, again, if they're open, I don't know. I think they are. Then maybe there will be something. But if not, guys, have a great weekend and a great Easter holiday. We have a Monday off as well. Beautiful. So, guys, have a great weekend. And as always, stay safe, guys. Bye.